Meaning of John Milton.
John Milton.
John Milton.
John Milton.
John Milton. John Milton was an English poet, polemicist, and civil servant who lived from 1608 to 1674. He is best known for his epic poem Paradise Lost, as well as other influential works such as Areopagitica and Lycidas. Milton is considered one of the greatest writers in the English language and a key figure in the development of English literature. His writings often address political, religious, and philosophical issues, with themes of free will, morality, and redemption being recurring motifs throughout his work.